So basically, what I see is that a lot of people, when they start in a new job, they know what to do, they know how to do it, but they have to get used to the context. So you enter a new company, you have to figure out how everything works. And if you can figure that out in your first week, that makes a very good impression. The idea is, what will you do in your first 30 days as a PO? What can you do to be more successful? When you're in the woods, there's always a kind of like a road, but it isn't really documented, but that's the way general direction the animals take. And it's the same in a company. It's not in your org chart, but there is a certain path through the organization that works, whereas the official path just doesn't work. And it's your job to figure out what the path is, what the obstacles are, and what is the smoothest way for you to find your way through the organizational jungle. It's smart to have a plan, to know who to talk to. And for example, we talk about people, process, products, and we talk about what are the persons you should talk to. And when I sit with a CEO, what are questions I should ask a CEO? And those are questions I had not thought of when I first started as a PO. I just start with my product and my backlog and keep the Scrum team happy. And then the more I learned about product management, the more I sort of understood that, okay, that if I'm not very early in contact with, for example, this finance person, at some point they will seek out me, and that puts me at a disadvantage. Because then they will come to me and say, Chris, your team is burning so much money, and where is the result? And like, creating value. And the idea behind this talk is, let me give you some pointers that if you are in this situation, that may help you to get a more complete picture.